Alright, so we've got a System 7 MPU. I've got my driver board connected here. But basically on the System 7 MPU, we did 6 of the 7.156 headers. The power input header had already been replaced, as well as quite a few sockets changed in the filter capacitor. But anyways, we did the 40-pin socket here for the 6808. This had been replaced at some point, but I was finding a loose connection there with the socket, so I went ahead and put a new dual wipe socket in place. We replaced the crystal here, and then also we had a missing 0.01 UF capacitor here next to the 6808, so that's been installed, and then also a blinking LED installed here on the board as well. So I'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. And we don't have a battery connected, so have to power cycle there. But we've got last game to date and high score to date and last game played. Here's your blinking LED. And then we've got the lamp matrix dancing. Only coil that's locked on is the coin lockout. And then we've got a flasher here, but just basically gonna test the interface from the driver board, as well as the displays and the sounds that come off of the MPU here. So we've got displays that are fully working, and then move into the sound, which we've got 7 sound outputs coming off the MPU here, and all 7 of those are working correctly. And into the lamp matrix, obviously my driver board, but we're just testing the interface between the two. And like I said, coil 16 is a coin lockout, and that'll extinguish there. And then once it goes back through, it'll highlight it just like it does all the other coils here. So we'll go through and test the inputs there for the special solenoids, which all those are working correctly. And then into switch test here. So testing through both rows and columns. And the last switch in Firepower 2, I believe is, let's see again, that's going to be switch, if I can twist my fingers in the right way, sorry, switch 47 is, or sorry, 48 is going to be the last, 49 is going to be the last switch. Jesus, I moved my last switch here. I knew it was right there in the 40s, but it's going to be switch 49. And I'll confirm that with the manual as well, but I do need to print out another last switch sticker, courtesy of Chris Hebler. But switch 49 is obviously registering along with all the other rows and columns there. And there's the game code. And I'm not going to set this to free play just because we don't have a battery installed on the board, but go back through and cycle back through. And as you can see, everything is fully working correctly. Thank you so much. Okay, so I just wanted to show, I printed out the last switch PDF that Chris had sent over to me. So Firepower 2, switch 49, not switch 47 or 48, but in fact 49. Thank you again.